Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account supports image creation. This ensures the tools will work. Once done, choose a precise subject and 3 defining attributes: color, mood, and style, because specificity reduces ambiguity. Make sure to set resolution or aspect like 1024 x 1024 so outputs match your needs. If you have a reference, upload or note the link, otherwise describe the composition. This first step gets you into the creation flow and prevents back-and-forth prompts later. Now you craft the actionable prompt. State the subject, the art style, lighting conditions, and mood to guide the model. This explains the how and why of the look. Then include composition specifics, camera angle, focal length, and background elements because placement affects readability. Once you see an initial result, iterate. Change a noun, swap an adjective, or ask for 5 variations to compare. Make sure to request upscaling or higher resolution if you need print quality output. Finish by selecting the best variant and exporting it in the format you need, such as PNG for lossless or JPEG for smaller files. If the image lacks detail, ask for higher sampling, a different seed, or increased resolution. These changes improve sharpness. If composition or subject errors persist, reword prompts with constraints and add a new reference image to steer results. One troubleshooting tip: when outputs are off, simplify the prompt and reintroduce attributes one at a time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.